Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your energy, improve your mood, and strengthen your body without complicated routines or expensive products, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 simple daily habits that will transform your health in 2026. These are easy, science-backed, and perfect for anyone living a busy lifestyle. Let's get started. Number 1. Hydrate the smart way. We all know hydration is important, but how you hydrate matters. Instead of drinking huge amounts once or twice a day, sip water consistently throughout the day. Pro tip: add a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of Himalayan salt to boost electrolytes naturally. Why it works? Proper hydration improves digestion, skin health, and mental clarity. Even mild dehydration can lower your mood and focus. Number 2. Start your day with light movement. You don't need an intense workout at 5 a.m. Just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, yoga, or a short walk signals your body to wake up gently. This small habit wakes up your muscles, improves flexibility, reduces morning stress. Think of it as an investment in your mood for the rest of the day. Number 3. Prioritize protein in every meal. Many people feel tired because they're not getting enough protein. Aim for a protein source in every meal, like eggs, beans, lentils, chicken, tofu, Greek yogurt, or nuts. Benefits: keeps you full longer, supports muscle health, stabilizes blood sugar, reduces cravings. Simple rule: protein first, carbs second. Number 4. Go on a 10-minute walk after eating. This one habit can change everything. A quick post-meal walk improves digestion, blood sugar levels, heart health, and fat metabolism. It's one of the easiest lifelong habits you can adopt. No gym required. Number 5. Reduce screen time before bed. Your phone is a tiny sleep-destroying machine. Blue light and constant notifications keep your brain wired. Try a 30-minute digital sunset. Use this time to stretch, journal, or prep for the next day. Better sleep, better mood, better focus, better everything. Number 6. Add color to your plate. Healthy eating doesn't need to be complicated. Just add more colors. Colorful fruits and veggies provide antioxidants that your body uses to fight inflammation, support your immune system, and keep your skin glowing. Like red berries, orange carrots, green spinach, purple cabbage. Number 7. Manage stress with many breaks. You don't need a 1-hour meditation session. Take tiny relaxation breaks during the day to reset your nervous system. Try 60 seconds of deep breathing, looking away from screens, or stepping outside briefly. Small resets prevent burnout. Number 8. Build a consistent sleep routine. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep, but consistency is even more important than duration. Try to sleep and wake at the same time daily. Quality sleep improves immune strength, brain function, energy, and metabolism. Sleep is your body's superpower. Number 9. Strength training twice a week. You don't need to lift heavy weights. Body weight exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks are enough. Benefits of strength training: builds muscle, protects joints, burns fat, improves posture. It slows aging, literally. Number 10. Practice gratitude daily. A healthy lifestyle is not only physical, it's also mental. A simple 30-second gratitude practice lowers stress, boosts happiness, and improves emotional balance. Just write down 3 things you're thankful for every day. Thanks for watching. Remember, a healthy living isn't about perfection. It's about small, consistent choices that create long-term change. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little health motivation today.